Hello everyone. Today, we are going to focus on a speech by John Wooden. He said, "Things work out best for those who make the best of how things work out." Here, things is a noun. Work out is a phrasal verb meaning the fact that something happens in a certain way. It's a synonym of the words to function and to operate. Best is an adjective, and it is the superlative form of good. For is a preposition meaning to the benefit of, or in favor of. Those is an indicator used for showing something or someone. Who is a relative pronoun. Here, it replaces the word those which indicates people in general. Make is an ordinary verb which is different from auxiliary verbs. Auxiliary verbs are to have, to be, to do, and the modal auxiliaries can, could, shall, should, will, would, etc. Of is a preposition. How is an adverb of manner and it designates in what way a thing or a person is.